Hello Cocooners! I just received my seasonal creativity guide, Seeking Your Summer Sun. Laurie was a dear and sent it in the mail for me, printed it out and everything. So thank you, Laurie. And so today I'm just kind of gonna take you through my journey of setting my intentions. So we have our first page. Set your intentions for the summer, and then I'm going to be doing my second page, which is creating my summer cocoon. And for this one, it's just really what I want to manifest for the season, and then at the end I'm going to do some vocal play where I'll give my cocoon a hum or a tune to feel into it and embody my summer cocoon with my voice. And I have to be honest, I'm feeling a little vulnerable with this cocoon. Laurie and I have been doing our seasonal cocoons for quite a long time now, well over a year, if not 2 years. And summer seems to always spark a lot of interest and energy and new renewal and just creating new intentions. And for me, in the past, it's kind of been an easier cocoon for me to create what I want to manifest in my life. But this season is a little different. This summer that has started, it's been a bit more vulnerable for me. Spring, Laurie and I really needed to gently ease in, really being kind and gentle with ourselves, breathing a lot through the season. So I'm excited to see what comes up for summer, but I don't really have any thoughts and feels going into it. And so for this season, we'll see what comes up. See you on the other end. What beautiful creativity. Still feeling through all my intentions and all the themes that just popped up for me. I was not expecting that. But it definitely has now focused me in a direction for this season. I'm getting a little teary-eyed feeling through it all, and I'm sure I'll take some more time integrating it because it was a lot that came through. And I just want to share a little bit about what the experience is going through these pages of this guide to really embody your seasonal self and feel through whatever season you're in on the other side of your screen over there. So for summer, defining my summer sun, some things came in that the sun shines with whatever patterns are going on. Even if we can't see it, it's behind the clouds, watching the sun sparkle through branches or leaves as they're making them this bright green underneath. And then just the purity of the sun on a cloudless sky. So, feeling through the beach and just that sun warming everything up. We've got our longest days going on in summer, and I just felt consistency. That was the theme. Like the sun is the giver of life and consistent, whatever patterns are going on in front of it, it's consistently behind it all, behind the scenes, shining through. So that was my definition of summer sun. And then what seeking my summer sun means to me is kind of just making sun my plan A. Like just this base of that purity and my shine. Like seeking that out rather than kind of like low energy modes, or sometimes the ego can get in, or comparing. So trying to make that at the forefront of my thoughts, of my actions, of my intentions, how I'm living each day, making my sun shine what was always there, and through anything that comes up. So I've been going through a lot of new experiences, or as I call waves, summer waves, or adventures in life. So whatever's coming up, making that sun, that strong sun, that my base. And the last theme that came through with my page 1 was that I tend, for you sensitive souls out there, including myself, I tend to absorb. And I absorb energies, I absorb emotions. I don't even know sometimes what's mine and what's someone else's. I've been doing a lot of recent work with this, but there's a lot more to learn and practice and be mindful with. So I just felt through the rocks and how you can be the sun shining on the rocks and creating all this warmth and glow and energy, or you can be the rock absorbing the sun. And I feel like I've been the rock lately, like the last few decades of my life, absorbing everyone else's suns or everything around me, no matter what energy it is. So seeking my summer sun is being the one to shine for other people to absorb. That's what I came up with. And then I have my summer cocoon here. Da, 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 da. Oh, look at all those rays shining. I love it. It feels like me. I love it. So I have my rock in here, this like vision that came in with rock, and I want to be these rays shining, not necessarily the rock absorbing. I have my water because I'm really loving watching the sun from underneath the water. So here in the Connecticut Cocoon, we've got the coast nearby, So diving under that water, closing my eyes and feeling the sun. So I wanted to capture that here. You know, sun obviously creating all life with the seaweed at the bottom. And I have my blackberries because they are here in my garden cocoon really starting to pop up. They're getting ready, I watch them change colors basically every day. Kind of go through my garden and watch you know, the greens slowly fade, and now some hints of red are coming in, and a little bit of purpley blue will come before they get ripe, and hopefully we can enjoy. So I wanted to, there's just nothing better than fruit all sun-kissed, and I wanted to capture that in my cocoon. And I just wrote some words to help guide me along the season, because I am going to look at my cocoon throughout the season to help me create these intentions and my summer cocoon. So I have shining through all of life's patterns, reflecting rather than absorbing, be the warmth, pure shine, consistency, always there, and giver of life. So I hope you enjoyed my share of the seasonal creativity guide. I would love to hear what you have to share, any inspirations, or if you're doing this journey along with us, what you took from it, what you got from it, how you're going to embed it into your life. We're here holding your hand as you create your cocoon. Until next time, with love and transformation from my cocoon to yours.